Hey guys, Willie here, Energy Products and Design. Just giving you a heads up as to what I'm doing today. Today's Christmas Eve. It's literally about 3 degrees outside with a wind chill about -10. It's freezing out here. I'm doing some ribs on the Memphis pellet grill. No problem with the cold temperatures cooking this grill. It's got it locked in at 235. It's been cooking now. I started about 2 o'clock. Right now it's about 4:30. So these will go till about 6, so about a good 5-6 hours. No problem with the Memphis grill. Lots of pellets left. Cool thing with this grill, all stainless. It's got a double layer jacket all the way around with an insulation, and that's going to help hold that heat inside the grill. Been doing the ribs with a nice heavy smoke. I've got a piece in here called a smoke tube. This tube is a stainless steel tube that you fill up with pellets, you light it on fire, and then it smokes like a cigar to add extra smoke, so some extra flavor. We sell those at the shop. They're about $15. They are an awesome way to be able to take your pellet grill and turn into a heavier smoker, but then also even a gas grill to add that to your grill to add some extra smoke flavor. So we'll be eating these about 6 o'clock, Christmas Eve, freezing cold. And have a happy new year. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, our YouTube channel. Check us out, energyproductsanddesign.com. Everybody have a great holiday. Talk to you soon.